our mentality is the designer in Italy. In Italy, we have the designer, we have a marketing, we have everything, engineering, and I work it with the Chinese factory. My name is Tommy Tinelli from Italy. I have a company in Italy and also have a company in China. I made also the company and the brand in China is IDM, Innovative Design Manufacturer.
So how was your experience so far in Otellex?
First time in Otellex was last year, and is a very important exhibition for the commercial equipment. And my experience is very good, very nice, because a lot of people coming from many parts of the world, and I think this year can be same to last year.
So what are your brand's current expansion plans?
My brand expansion plan is very special project to growing up in the next year, because our mentality is the designer in Italy. In Italy, we have the designer, we have a marketing, we have everything, engineering, and I work it with the Chinese factory, Chinese supplier, because in China, in the last 5 years, the quality of production increased a lot, and I really appreciate the production from China now.
What marketing strategies are you implementing to attract more customers?
I told you before, my mentality and my strategy is to working with very, very extreme design, very high design, like the Italian design. And sure, it's very important also the prices. We don't sell with the low prices, but my prices is the correct prices on the market. And also, you know, we work into maybe the affordability, and also the sales department must be very fast to answer. This is the strategy now. And sure, I want to invest a lot in our brand, because the brand is most important to the factory now.
Okay, last question. How important is the meeting, conference, and event for your business?
Sure, the meeting is very, very important for my business, because not easy to understand with the video, with the picture, the quality of the goods. If you want to understand better, you need to see, you need to touch the product. And this exhibition is very important. We also made the exhibition in Italy, in Milan. And it's very important because the customer need to touch the cooler, the products. Sure, now the world changed something, because with the internet, you can find everything, you can see everything. But it's very important, I think, to touch and see with your eye the product directly.